Hi guys, today I'll discuss something about how to boost our immunity system. As coronavirus is spread very badly and we can't do anything about corona, but we can do everything about ourselves. What is the solution? The solution is very simple, that we need to uplift our gut and our immune system. So, what to do? We need to change our lifestyle. Live a simple life with simple food habits with simplicity. So, better have food like fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, avocados in good quantity and in raw form, because cooked form of vegetable is not that good. So all these things are antioxidant. They may give us better nourishment, but we should take them in right quantity. Excess of everything is bad. Even our kitchen masalas are too good. We can always use them in good quantity. Next comes the fat. The best fat is in olive oil. If you can't afford olive oil, then you can use mustard oil and coconut oil in kitchen. As all these oils are anti-inflammatory, they are linked to decrease the risk of chronic diseases like heart attack and diabetes. So we should be very careful about the fats. We need to take good fats. Fermented foods are also very important. They are rich in probiotic. Curd is very good, which is available in the market, and we can make it at home also. For vegan people, kimchi, kefir and natto, they are also available in big markets. They make the gut strong, and if the gut is strong, automatically our immune system will be strong, because they both are interconnected. When one thing is right, the other is also equally good and healthy. So, my dear friends, it's very important to sleep for 6 to 8 hours. You should have a sound sleep, because when we sleep, our internal organs, they take rest and they repair themselves for the next day. So when next day we get up and go for work, we feel very healthy and we feel very fresh. Exercises also play a very important role. Exercises are any exercises: walk, swimming, cycling, aerobics, and yoga. All exercises are very important. We need to give 1 hour in the morning and half an hour in the evening. After doing the exercises, we need to do the laughter exercise, which is very, very important. It reduces the anxiety and stress, and our body becomes very fresh and it cools down. So it makes us very healthy. So, vitamin D is also very important. It plays a vital role. Uh, Everybody thinks that vitamin D is important for our bones and for our joints. But my dear, no. It's equally important for our gut and for our immune system, because our immune system is uplifted, is strengthened by vitamin D. Half an hour morning and half an hour evening sun bath is very important. If you can't take it, then you should get your test done and take doctor's advice and take supplements. We need to hydrate our body. Our body is 70% made of water, so it needs a lot of water. So don't take artificial juices, but take plain water. Plain water is the best drink. And when we are thirsty, our thirst never goes with coke or juices. It will always go with plain water. And extra sugar and salt, no. We get sugar from good fruits like mangoes and grapes. But if you are very fond of sugar, you can have maple sugar, maple syrup, you can have coconut sugar, you can have jaggery, and but no white sugar at all. Salt is also prohibited, table salt. So, my dear friends, stress and anxiety also goes with exercise of laughter and meditation. Meditation cools our mind. It is equally important. Give some time to meditation also. Pranayam also helps. It helps to get oxygen into our lungs. So equally important. So my dear friends, one last thing, try to take a kada of dalchini, kali mirch, moti ilaichi, saunf, adrak and kachi haldi. All these things will boost our immune system and no corona or disease will attack us. So last but not the least, my dear friends, one last tip. If you have low blood pressure or low hemoglobins, please take 6 to 7 munakka pieces and dip them in water at night and take them early in the morning and eat the munakka. If munakka is not available, then you can have 20 to 25 pieces of raisins, kishmish. Dip them in water at night and drink water and take kishmish first thing in the morning. That will 101% boost your low BP and uplift your hemoglobins. So that's all. I hope you like my studio and please get back to me if any query. Write in my description box. I'll get back to you, and please thumbs up if you like and share and subscribe my channel, and I'll get back to you with another lovely topic. Love you guys. Thank you.